In this video, we're going to talk about what the moment of inertia is. The moment of inertia is denoted by the letter I and is also called the second moment of area. It describes how easy or difficult it is for a structural element to bend, purely because of its geometry. But be careful. The amount of bending does not depend only on the moment of inertia. It also depends on the magnitude of the applied force and the material of the element, through the modulus of elasticity. If you apply a large force, the element will bend a lot. If you apply a smaller force, it will bend less. And of course, an element made of a very flexible material, like rubber, will bend much more than one made of steel. So, the moment of inertia represents the resistance to bending or torsion that comes purely from the geometry of the cross-section. It's important to remember that the moment of inertia always refers to bending about a specific axis. The same cross-section can have very different values of I, depending on the bending direction. That's why a square or rectangular cross-section behaves differently from a circular cross-section. Here, we can see some formulas for calculating the moment of inertia for different types of cross-sections. In the case of a rectangular cross-section, notice something very important. The height h is raised to the third power. Now, take a look at this image. We have exactly the same cross-section, made of the same material. But we place it in two different orientations. In the first case, the height h is smaller. In the second case, the height h is much larger. As a result, the moment of inertia in the first case is much smaller than in the second case. This means the beam will bend very easily in the first orientation, and much more difficultly in the second one. Same beam, same material, different orientation. And the bending behavior changes dramatically. This is exactly why, in real structures, beams are placed with their largest dimension acting as the height h. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.